Hey everybody, Aaron Blaise here, and I am once again very excited to tell you about my next live online workshop coming up on April 9th. It's going to be a lot of fun. I'm going to be taking you back to my roots of animation. We're going to be doing hand-drawn animation, and it's all going to be character-driven. A while back for my character design course, I designed a couple of characters, Muskrat Jim and Milo. Muskrat Jim is this old grizzly mountain man, and Milo is his bear. And I thought it would be a lot of fun to take those two characters and animate a shot with them, with Muskrat Jim being the driving force in the shot. So what we're going to do is, for those of you that sign up for the course, I'm going to be sending you model sheets of these characters so that you can be ready to draw them when we start doing our workshop on April 9th. I'm also going to thumbnail it ahead of time, and I'm going to send you my thumbnails, and we're going to go over the process of thumbnailing. Thumbnailing meaning planning out the shot. What's the acting going to be? What's the choreography? What's the emotion? How are we going to get that across in the expressions? Those I'm going to work out ahead of time so that you can have that as your base when we come into the workshop, so that we spend the entire day, and this is what I'm really excited about, we're going to be spending the entire day animating. I'm going to take as much time as I can. Usually we go about 5 or 6 hours on these workshops, so I want to make sure I could get every minute I could to animate and show you my process of getting that choreography, getting that emotion, getting it all to play out on the screen. So that's what we're going to focus on. I'll give you the materials ahead of time, and then we're going to use that for that day. So it's going to be a really fun, jam-packed event. We're going to have plenty of Q&A for you to, and actually throughout the day I want to do that, for you to ask questions. I want you, as in all my workshops, I want you to come away with this with a lot more knowledge than you walked in with, okay? Now I'm going to be working digitally in TV Paint, but you can work with any software that you want to, or you can even work with pencil and paper. I just want to make sure that you're comfortable and we can just drive through and animate this thing. It's going to be so much fun. I can't wait to see you there. Go on over to creatureartteacher.com/live to get all the information you need. It's going to be awesome. And once again, we're going to be driving through and doing full character animation throughout the day. It's going to be a lot of fun. I'm going to show you all my processes that I learned at Disney. So go on over to creatureartteacher.com/live, and remember, spots are limited, so get there sooner than later. It's going to be a great time, and I'll see you on April 9th. Go on out there, put some beauty back into the world, and I'll talk to you then. Thanks.